pride and passion, always with a sharp eye for innovation, focused on creating the best connections, connections that take you further to a higher level, connections between materials and connections between people. Successful connections is what Valk Welding wants to share with customers, employees and suppliers. It goes beyond building and installing systems for robot welding. We translate industrial challenges into efficient robotization with software, hardware and consumables in perfect synergy. The family business of Valk Welding has grown into a leading European player in welding automation, thanks to all of our employees. Continuous innovation is our strength, focusing on what the industry needs now and in the future. We don't settle for standard. We aim for the best solution. This is how we create solutions that come to life from a drawing. Solutions for smarter and more efficient production, where we operate as a technology partner. We not only develop and supply welding robots, but we are also Europe's largest independent distributor of welding wire. From our warehouses throughout Europe, many consumables for the welding industry are shipped daily to international customers. Internationally, we have training centers spread across Europe. This is where we train our customers to make maximum use of our solutions. Making connections. That is our passion.